हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस क्लास रे आम जो छाड़ी से स्टार्ट करवा। आज पढ़ा आम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी द ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स व्हिच वी स्टडी अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन ऑफ द बॉडी एंड इन व्हिच चार्जेस रिमेन स्टैटिक। राइट आंसर इज ताकू इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स कहुए। There are two types of charge, positive and negative. The concept of positive and negative charge was first given by Benjamin Franklin. Like charges are repel each other, माने दी जन को टाणती। नेक्स्ट unlike charge are attract each other. The body in which electric charge carries conductor. Example of conductor: all metallic body, acids, human body etc. होची गोटे गोटे conductor रो example. Which has the best electric conductivity? Right answer is silver. Which has the good electric conductivity? Copper. The body which does not carry electric charge is called insulator. Next. Example of insulator: wood, rubber, mica etc. Those body whose electrical productivity lies between conductor and insulator is known as semiconductor. Next. Example of semiconductor: germanium, silicon, selenium. Coulomb law is F is equal to Q1 Q2 divided by R square. The diameter of an atom is about 10 to the power minus 10 meter. The electron in the last orbit of an atom are called valence electron. If the number of valence electron in an atom is less than 4, the substance is usually conductor. Next. If the number of valence electron of an atom is greater than substance is usually insulator. If the number of valence electron of an atom is equal to 4, the substance usually semiconductor. 1 coulomb of charge equal to 625 into 10 to the power 16 electron. The electric current is due to the flow of both positive and negative charge. EMF in a circuit maintain potential difference. Next. The electric current in a metallic body is due to the flow of electrons only. The electric current in a liquid is due to the flow of both positive and negative ions. The electric current in a discharge tube containing a gas is due to both positive and negative ions. Electric current is a scalar quantity. Electric current density is a vector quantity. माने इलेक्ट्रिक करंट गोटे स्केलर क्वांटिटी आउ आरो डेंसिटी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट रो डेंसिटी गोटे वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. नेक्स्ट. The specific resistance of a wire depends on length, cross-sectional area, material, temperature and dimension. स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस डिपेंड करि थाए कोन लेंथ रे क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया मटेरियल टेम्परेचर एंड डायमेंशन कंडक्टिविटी इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रेजिस्टिविटी नेक्स्ट the specific resistance of a metallic conductor is equal to increase with rise in temperature. Insulator have negative temperature coefficient. Eureka has almost zero temperature coefficient. Semiconductor have negative temperature coefficient. Next, two resistor R1 and R2 are connected in a series, then the total resistance R is equal to R1 plus R2 माने next two resistor R1 and R2 are connected in parallel then the total resistance 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 next two inductor L1 and L2 are connected in a series then the total inductance is equal to L is equal to L1 plus L2 next two inductors L1 and L2 are connected in parallel then the total inductance is equal to 1 by L is equal to 1 by L1 plus 1 by L2 next two capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in a series then the total capacitance 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 two capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in parallel then the total capacitance is equal to C is equal to C1 plus C2 capacitor oppose the circuit voltage inductor oppose the circuit current resistor oppose the flow of current next capacitor both DC pass AC capacitor है blocks DC pass AC inductor है blocks AC pass DC power is always additives next in a circuit with a resistance of 5 ohms if the current is increased then the voltage will increase and current increase हेले आमर voltage मध्य increase हबो what are the importance characteristics of fuse रो गुण कौन हवा कथा गोटे फ्यूज राइट आंसर इज फिजिकल साइज रहिबा कथा करंट रेटिंग वोल्टेज रेटिंग फ्यूजन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स रहिबा कथा व्हाट आर द स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ हीटिंग एलिमेंट राइट आंसर इज हाई रेजिस्टेंस एंड मेल्टिंग पॉइंट रहिबा कथा हीटिंग एलिमेंट रो गोटे बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स A fuse wire is made of lead tin alloy by which connection house wiring is done. Right answer is parallel. माने wiring जो होता है house मानक रे ताहा parallel connection रे होता है. Next. In which connection street light are connected? Right answer is street light सब भी हमारा parallel connection रे होता है. In which connection decorative lights are connected series decorative light माने लिचु लाइट गुड़ाक आम series रे connect होता है next which material can attract the magnetic substance such as cobalt iron and steel is called magnet The property of attracting the magnetic substance by a magnet is called magnetism. Magnetism. How many types of artificial magnet? Right answer is two types. गोटे है permanent magnet और गोटे temporary magnet. Next, artificial magnet two types, गोटे permanent और गोटे temporary. Next, poles of magnets. North pole and south pole को poles of magnet कहुए. The two poles of magnet are of equal strength. Law of magnetic force F is equal to m1 by m2 whole divided by d2. The magnet unlike poles attract. Magnet like poles repel. Next, property of magnetic field lines of force, they are never intersect each other. The amount of magnetic field produced by magnetic source is called magnetic flux. Next, the magnetic flux is denoted by Greek letter phi. The unit of magnetic flux is MKS system is equal to magnetoweber. Magneto unit MKS रे मीटर किलोग्राम सिस्टम रे हमरो वेबर आउ CGS सिस्टम रे मैग्नेटर यूनिट हेले मैक्सवेल. 1 वेबर इक्वल टू 10 to the power 8 lines of Maxwell. The flux per unit area at a right angle to the flux is called magnetic. Next, the flux per unit area at a right angle to the flux is called magnetic flux density B. The formula of magnetic flux density is phi by A Weber per meter square. The unit of magnetic flux density is MKS system Weber per meter time square or Tesla. The unit of magnetic flux density in CGS system Maxwell per meter square or Gauss. The closed path followed by magnetic flux is equal to magnetic circuit. Next, the force producing magnetic flux known as magnetomotive force. The unit of magnetomotive force mmf is equal to ampere torque. mmf per unit length is called magnetic field intensity. Next, the absolute permeability mu0 of air vacuum is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Next, the relative permeability mu r of air or vacuum is 1. When a magnet is heated, it is lost magnetism. The magnetic material used in permanent magnet is hardened steel. The magnetic material used in temporary magnet is soft iron. Magnetic flux density is vector quantity. Next, आज क्वेश्चन आंसर आम एतिक रखा. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल and like, share and comment, and thank you so much.